How to pay for Gumroad with PayPal in 2025. Here's the easiest step-by-step method, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to the Gumroad product page that you want to buy, and then click on the I want this or buy this button. Step 2. A small pop-up window will appear, and enter your active email address. And this is where you'll get the download link or product access. Step 3. In the payment section, click on the drop-down menu for payment methods and then select PayPal. Step 4. You will be redirected to PayPal's login page. Enter your email and password and then click Login. Step 5. Review the amount and ensure the correct card or balance is selected and then click Pay Now. Step 6. Once payment is successful, Gumroad will instantly give you a download link or account access page. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.